Tech moves fast, but long-term shifts just don't happen overnight. Today, I'm going to be breaking down my 2026 tech predictions. These are going to be realistic changes that we're already kind of seeing when it comes to gamers, content creators, tech enthusiasts, and even the tech market or the tech world. So they're not just random guesses. They're based on patterns that we're already kind of seeing, but just pushed forward a little bit. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment if there are any other type of tech videos, tech tips, or just overall content that you'd like to see on the platform. Let's get into it. Prediction number 1, AI becomes built-in and hardware dependent. In 2026, AI is not going to feel like something that you can just opt out of. It will be deeply integrated into operating systems, GPUs, phones, and other types of creative software. Instead of opening already dedicated AI tools, many features will just simply work in the background, like assisting with video editing, audio cleanup, image enhancement, and performance optimization automatically. Another major shift is where this processing happens. More AI tasks will run locally on your own hardware rather than having to rely on a cloud. This means faster results, better privacy, and less dependent on internet connections. But it also means hardware is going to matter more than ever. GPUs, memory bandwidth, and AI processors are going to become more increasingly important for everyday users. Now, with me saying this, I'm not saying that AI is going to take over content creators or gamers. This means handling repetitive or technical tasks in replacement of us being able to use more creativity and gameplay. Prediction number 2, GPU prices increase due to multi-industry demand. Now, many people thought that GPU prices are going to drop, but we're actually seeing the quite opposite. There have already been a couple rumors that NVIDIA graphics cards are going to increase by 300% by the end of 2026. But again, these are just rumors. I don't know if anything's actually just put set to stone, so let's just call them rumors for now. Gaming alone already pushes GPUs pretty far. But now creators, editors, streamers rely on GPU power more than just games. AI-assisted workloads are becoming standard, even for casual users. Features like upscaling, background removal, real-time effects, and local AI tools all depend heavily on GPU performance. At the same time, GPUs are being used in laptops, handheld gaming PCs, and compact systems, which spread manufacturing capacity thinner. When demand rises across multiple markets at once, prices do not fall. Instead, they remain high on increase. While performance per dollar may improve, the baseline cost of mid-range to high-range GPUs are probably going to just stay expensive. GPUs aren't going to be impossible to buy, but it is going to be harder to justify buying for a lot of people. Prediction number 3, handheld gaming devices evolve into full ecosystems. Handheld gaming PCs aren't just going to be some type of novelty. They're going to evolve into full-on ecosystems. Improvements in performance per watt allow these devices to run demanding games and maintaining reasonable battery life and lower heat output. Developers are going to increasingly optimize games for PC handheld users. This improves user interfaces, control layouts, and even performance profiles. This makes handheld gaming feel less like a compromise and more like a first-class experience. And docking is going to become a lot more seamless, which makes going from mobile gaming to connecting to a PC gaming a lot easier. This blurs the line between consoles and PCs and actually puts handheld gaming a lot more competitively to PCs and consoles. This is going to make handheld gaming a competitor as it can be very flexible. Prediction number 4, Hall effect technology becomes a requirement. Now, we're already seeing the Hall effect feature in keyboards, controllers, and a lot more products. As consumers grow more aware of issues like stick drift and switch wear, long-term durability becomes a key purchasing factor. Hall effect sensors eliminate physical contact inside joysticks and switches, which significantly reduces wear over time. This leads to consistent accuracy, smoother input, and much longer lifespans compared to traditional components. Controllers, keyboards, and other devices that don't adapt to Hall effect technology will start to feel outdated, and longevity is just as important as raw performance when it comes to peripherals. Prediction number 5, PC builds shift towards efficiency and thermals. PC building trends are going to be a little bit farther away from aesthetics and more within actual efficiency. Builders begin prioritizing airflow, thermal performance, and even noise reduction. As components draw more power and electricity costs layouts continue to rise, efficiency becomes a practical concern. Smaller cases with smarter layouts and improved cooling solutions gain popularity because they offer better real-world performance. This doesn't mean that RGB is going to completely disappear, but more or so be a lot more optional rather than expected. Prediction number 6. Creator gear becomes more accessible and standardized. Creator gear moves rapidly as competition increases. In 2026, budget cameras are actually going to offer pretty good autofocus, strong low-light performance, and even clean output without requiring so many different accessories. And even microphones and lighting are going to offer a lot better quality without spending so much money. Compact, efficient, and actually pretty good quality products are going to become a lot more accessible to new creators. And this is also without like spending thousands of dollars that we'd probably need to save up a lot for. This lowers the barrier to entry, allowing more people to create high quality content. As a result, this will make creativity and consistency matter a lot more in the content creation industry rather than just the gear that you use. And prediction number 7, tech education content becomes essential. As technology becomes a lot more integrated into our daily lives, people increasingly seek clear explanations that can actually help them understand what's going on. Instead of just overwhelming spec sheets and manuals that probably people throw away, people want context in real-world cases. Tech education that actually focuses on clarity and practical advice continues to grow. Creators who can explain complex topics in simple terms are going to grow, like a lot. And understanding technology becomes a valuable skill, not just a hobby or for fun. These changes aren't random. They reflect on how people actually use technology and where demand is heading next. Let me know which predictions you agree with or even disagree with. I'd love to form a discussion. And of course, everybody is entitled to their own opinion, so keep that in mind. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and also comment if there are any other types of tech videos, tech tips, or just overall content that you'd love to see from me. And quick thing, I'm also a gamer. I stream on Twitch. I stream a variety of games like Valorant, Marvel Rivals, and even a little bit of Elden Ring, and variety games like No, I'm Not a Human. So if you'd like to check that out, feel free to watch over there. But that is going to be the end of this video. Make sure to have a great day, and I'll see you all later. Bye!